Wami, close call sa inyo. Kumusta lang yung attempt nyo na makahabol nung fourth quarter?
Actually, maganda yung adjustment na ginawa ni Coach Jack. Yung endgame, nag-man zone na kami. Medyo nagulat sila doon. So, all credit to Coach Jack for that adjustment.
Pero sayang,
Sayang,
could have been comeback win.
Yes, sayang. Actually, nag-alangan kasi ako doon sa last shot ko. Nawalan na ako ng legs eh. Sumakit na rin likod ko. But no excuses, I should have taken the shot kasi ako yung libre nun eh.
Wami, nung fourth quarter, parang it was like yung Wami Chongson nung terapirma nung unang stint mo.
Actually, kahit si Mav eh. Ganda rin ang pinakita ni Mav. Na nabuhayan kami because of si Mav. He let us all throughout the game. I would like to give that credit to him kasi actually very vocal siya eh, even during timeout. So na-inspire ako, nabuhayan ako and sana tuloy-tuloy hopefully sa next game ganun ulit.
Wami, ano lang yung first reaction when you were told na or you heard na you were heading back to terapirma?
Actually, mixed emotions eh. Siyempre nasaktan ako kasi obviously gusto kong makabawi dun sa mga previous conferences ko with San Miguel. Pero like I said, it is what it is. Bittersweet feeling at least dito pa rin ako with my old team instead na kung saan man diba?
Wami, we all know itong terapirma, it meant a lot sa career mo. It gave you opportunities. Now that you're back, ano yung goal mo para sa team and for yourself also?
Of course, yung collective goal is try to win as much as we can. Hopefully, ma-surpass namin yung ginawa namin with sila Stephen Holt, Tyson Go, na nakapag-playoff. Hopefully, magawa ulit namin yun ngayon. Yung personal goal ko naman is just to enjoy the game kasi nawala yung joy ko, nawala yung passion ko. And now, hopefully, slowly, mabalik ko ulit.
Why you're saying na nawala yung ano mo?
I put so much pressure on myself. Para ang dami kong iniisip at the time na bakit ang pangit ng mga previous games ko with San Miguel. Hindi ko magawa yung gusto ko magawa and I have to hold myself accountable for that. Obviously kasalanan ko yun na nawala yung passion eh. And now slowly, hopefully mabalik ko ulit.
The young guys see you as a leader ngayon. How are you taking that role also?
Honestly, ano lang, tinatry ko lang silang samahan and actually ayoko na nga yung parang dati ko na puro ako lang. Kasi I want these guys also to show their talent and skill kasi may mabubuga rin sila eh. Like for example, sila Didan, Brent Paraiso, parang it's more of their time now. And hopefully, I can inspire them by leading by example, by trying to be early in practices, working out early, and sana makita nila yun. And hopefully, magaya nila.
But will there be, in some instances, will the Wami Chongson o Paul show up kung kinakailangan?
Yeah. If possible, for example, kanina na yung trust na binigay sa akin ni Coach Jack na to lead the end game kasi sabi niya nga just call pick and rolls towards the end game and and I can't do that by myself kasi like for example 35 na rin ako eh. And it's nice to have a guy like Mav that I can trust in the end game.